welcome to my channel. My name is AJ. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys and walking you through how I redid my patio. I live in an apartment and the patio was just, I don't even have words. Ugly. Let's just go with ugly. It was super bland, not cozy at all, and I really just wanted to vamp it up. So I'm gonna be walking you through how I did that, how I made it feel like just like cozy and like Pinteresty, if you know what I'm talking about. So just as a disclaimer, I did not go out with this whole quarantine and get all the supplies for my patio. I actually had filmed this in October of last year. Procrastinated just a little bit on the editing, just a little bit. Besides that, if you want to get to know me better and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Because what better way to get through this quarantine than to hang out with me? So before I start rambling on, let's just get started. All right, so this first shot here, you can see it's just not a cute patio. The first thing I'm going to do is just clean the floor, get everything out of the way, and just prep everything to be reset and redone. We are nice and clean now, so next I'm going to just put a drop cloth down to clean my patio chairs and spray paint them black. I didn't want to buy new chairs, but these ones were not that cute. So they're like this, you can see they're this brownish color, and I just wanted them to be black just to help them look a little bit more sleek. I was trying to position my rugs in like that boho Urban Outfitters kind of like laid out rugs, different patterns, but it wasn't working, so I ended up settling with this. It looks weird now, but with all the other stuff it's gonna look better. So as I had mentioned before, I wanted it to feel more cozy and enclosed, so I decided to try this out. I'm taking this thick burlap ribbon and intertwining it in the patio railing. I do actually end up liking the way it turned out. In the end of this shot, it does look a little funky, but I swear the end result turns out a lot better than you think. So the next thing I did with the railing was I took individual fake leaves and glued them onto the bottom of the railing. You can see I did use hot glue, which is easy to just peel off. Like I said, this is still apartment friendly. And I just wanted, again, to make it feel more enclosed. It gave it like, you know, just a cute little hip vibe. Another option would be to get just a garland, like a leaf garland of any, you know, kind of leaf that you like. Those were a little bit too expensive for me, so I opted for this. And I like the way that it turned out. So I'm actually gonna spray paint some black plant brackets, gold, just so it matched a little bit better. And I'm gonna be hanging some little terrariums that I made myself from them that you'll see in a couple seconds. Here are the terrariums I was talking about. So all the supplies I used to make these were actually from the Dollar Tree. Even the little terrarium globe, the fake cactus, the moss, the rocks, the sand, like it's all from the Dollar Tree, which I was highly shocked. But they ended up turning out really cute and I wanted to utilize them on the patio. With a majority of the project done, one of the last things to do is clean up the huge mess that I made on the patio, cleaning up the trash and all the stuff that I'm not using anymore. Before I forget to mention, the shelf in the back with the planters was actually gifted to me and my boyfriend from someone, but the planters and the pots are from a variety of places. I would recommend just going to like TJ Maxx or Home Goods. They typically have the best ones for the best price. So these patio chairs and these patio cushions I actually bought off of Facebook Marketplace, so I bought them pre-owned from other people. Like I had mentioned in the beginning of this video, this was filmed in October of last year, so the whole pandemic thing was not a concern of mine. But regardless, when you buy things from other people, make sure you clean it. You are bringing this stuff into your house, so you definitely want to make sure and clean it well. These patio chairs, they look like some sort of generic Home Depot patio chair. And the cushions, all of them that are on the chairs are actually from Target. And the little puffs, I'm trying to figure out where I want them. Those are actually from West Elm, I believe, which were also gifted to me. Generally speaking, with more home decor videos and makeovers that I'll be putting on YouTube, you'll see that I utilize Let Go and OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace as much as I can, because you can find such good furniture people are just trying to sell for such an inexpensive price. So I'm taking these glass bulb cafe lights and draping them over my railing. You can get these at Amazon, Target, any hardware store. They're super cute. They add that Pinterest vibe I'm talking about. They're super aesthetically pleasing, which is what we're going for here, obviously. And I think it ended up turning out really cute. So with the last finishing touches, I'm just adding more plants to this shelf, real and fake, and then basically that's it. All there's left to do is add knickknacks and patty wax. So I'm just gonna do that, and when I'm done, I will give you guys the big reveal. I hope that if anything, this video was able to offer you guys some sort of inspiration for your patio or any home makeover that you're trying to do. Before I show you guys the end result, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, please subscribe and support me. It would mean a whole lot.